Hi guys, good morning. Time check is 7:32 a.m. and I woke up craving with no other than balut. See, there, balut. Of course, we have our vinegar ni Manong. Ano ba to? Yan. Vinegar ni Manong. And then of course, salt. So last night ko pa to binili. But due to sobrang antok, di ko na siya nakain. Actually, I even bought, ano ba to, ihaw-ihaw. Pero di ko na siya nakain. So, sobrang antok ko. Yung antok ko lately, parang, ewan ko, para akong pinapatay sa antok. Anyways, yun nga. So, I woke up this early having this kind of cravings. So, samahan niyo akong kumain ng balot while watching Prime Crime. Alam niyo yung Prime Crime? Favorite ko to eh. Yung mga, ang mga crimes documentary movies sa US. Tingnan ito. This is one of, I'm currently watching right now. Yan, right now, this is what I'm watching. So, yan. So, samahan niyo akong kumain ng balot while watching, of course, Prime Crime. Ang pinapanood ko ngayon is about yung TikTok creator na husband, tapos pinatay niya yung wife niya sa California. Yan. So, let's start eating. Of course, balut. So, enjoy lang natin while watching ha. So, medyo maingay siya. But, hinaan lang natin ng konti. Ayan, hinaan natin ng konti. Para hindi kayo masyadong mabingi. Yan. Okay, go.
Both of you guys are characters that I play.
Over time, he began to incorporate Anna into the videos as well.
Alam mo yan, ang hirap eh. Itong story na to is about, Filipina yung babae dito.
And again,
Tapos, ayun nga.
from
Parang
TikTok,
pinatay siya nung asawa niya kasi. Yung guy, parang feeling niya, siya, sikat siya sa TikTok.
in Virginia, Ollie and Anna really did
Hanapin niyo na lang, si Ali and Anna
the couple
sa TikTok.
living an American dream. Over time, though, Anna
Taga Philippines yung babae.
and
Oh, ang sarap niya. Tingnan mo.
to San Diego to
Nakita niyo ba? Ay, yawa. Pero ang sarap niya. Dahil hindi ko kinakaya tong cravings ko na to ngayon. Nakabaliw.
he just falls in love with
Tapos may anak sila.
She realizes how much she wants to be closer to a support network. Ollie, he also saw what was in for him, which was Infinite San Diego.
Oh my God, ang sarap.
2 hours later. This is going to give me
Pero ba't wala siyang sabaw?
opportunity
Busy.
to networking, to do other collaborations. with
Walang
other
sabaw,
content
nakakapikon.
creators. So I think it was a win-win. So February of 2021, they
Sarap.
moved their family to San Diego. They got an apartment at the Spire San Diego high-rise building. Anna was working on and off in San Diego. Ali got a job also as a contractor on a base with a security clearance.
Once they got to San Diego, they continued their TikTok channel, which flourished.
Ang liit lang ng puti niya.
They had a lot of followers. It seemed they were living a really
Ang
fun,
mga hindi lahat na nakikita niya sa social media.
Connected with friends of hers.
Totoo.
She's getting some positive feedback from people who are watching TikTok. Both Ali and Anna are enjoying the nightlife of San Diego. They are beginning to go out more as a couple.
Parang kahit ang sabihin yung gano'n sila ka-happy.
To
Ano, totoo.
experiment with different drugs, different cocaine.
The cocaine seemed to have wide effect on how we controlling, aggressive,
Dalawa lang naman to.
just doesn't
Dahil second one.
relationship, especially in a relationship with friends.
Medyo paranoid yung lalaki kasi nagda-drug siya eh. Lagi sila nag-aaway. Sorry.
For what? So you can rent to your friends? You're not even an American citizen. I brought you to this.
Stop mo sisiyo.
One man that would do that.
Please don't say anything to him after there is a flare up again.
Oh, great. You were on the phone with police? Oh, I said that? Wow. I thought you were done with the phone call.
Are we on speaker? Can you take me off the speaker, please?
Then Ali fled the apartment after Anna called 911. So police arrived.
San Diego Police Department.
They were having an argument over a suitcase. Ali got mad. They were standing in the bedroom. Ali pushed Anna down towards the foot of their bed, and she fell on the ground, scraped her knee and her elbow, and hit her head on the foot of the bed.
You're on your knees right here. Fixing the
Kaloka.
suitcase. Stop.
Mga hindi mo talaga kinakayang.
Can you show me where your body part?
Kaya kayo girls, bago kayo magjowa ng AFAM or
So
foreigner,
police got Anna's statement,
kilalanin nyo muna mabuti bago kayo lumipad sa mga bansa nila.
and
Diyos
she
ko Lord.
was advised about
Siyempre kung dito sa Pilipinas,
resources.
pagkaiba naman, iba yung inaarte nila dito kasi syempre alam nila na hindi sila covered ng mga laws natin, mga ganyan, or kumbaga mas favor pa rin sa ating mga Filipino citizen yung laws natin kaysa sa foreigner. So, be careful kasi pag nala kayo sa bansa nila, mas may power sila sa inyo. Kaya you guys have to be careful. Kung magjojowa kayo ng AFAM, ganyan, you just have to be careful. Make sure na
with their daughter.
kilala nyo silang mabuti.
While Ali stayed in
Alam niyo na yung mga toyo-toyo nila, yung mga topak-topak nila, bago kayo sumama sa bansa nila. Para at least, alam niyo, kilala niyo na sila, alam niyo na kung paano niyo sila ipapacify kapag ka medyo hindi na maganda yung usapan niyo. So, yun lang. Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. Happy New Week. Bye-bye. Love you all.
I'm so sorry.